Today I will tell you easy steps for making a website on WordPress. Here is how to. 1. Choose a web hosting provider. You need to purchase a web hosting account to host your website. There are many hosting providers available online, but you can choose one that fits your budget and requirements, such as GoDaddy.com, Hostinger.com, Bluehost.com, Namecheap.com. 2. Choose domain name for your website and connect with hosting. 3. Install WordPress. Once you have a web hosting account, you can install WordPress on your website. Many web hosting providers offer one-click installation of WordPress, which makes it very easy to install. 4. Choose a theme. WordPress has a wide range of themes available, both free and premium. 5. Choose a theme that fits the purpose of your website and your style preferences. 6. Customize your theme. Once you have chosen a theme, you can customize it to match your brand and style. You can add your logo, change colors, add widgets, and more. 7. Add pages and posts. Your website needs content, and WordPress makes it easy to add pages and posts. Pages are for static content such as your About Us, Contact Us, and Services pages. Posts are for your blog. 8. Install plugins. WordPress plugins add extra functionality to your website, such as contact forms, social sharing, and security. Choose the plugins that fit your needs and install them. 9. Publish your website. When you are ready, you can publish your website by making it live. You can do this by going to your WordPress dashboard and clicking the Publish button. 10. Promote your website. Once your website is live, you need to promote it to attract visitors. You can promote your website through social media, search engine optimization, advertising, and more.